Hi all, welcome to this course on PPC. Today we'll be learning about the types of demands in MRP. There are generally two types of demands which drive the MRP system, which is independent demand and dependent demand. So independent demand is one in which demand for any finished product is not dependent on the other process. Like demand for any finished product, the data used to forecast the demand is collected from retailers and POS data, whereas dependent demand is that in which the demand for the raw materials, parts and components are used to manufacture a product. And finally, the derived demands, which are intermediaries, forecast the number of lots needed to meet the need of either the intermediaries in the supply chain or the continuous chain. Hence, resources with the existing inventories plus supply with purchase order, production orders, reserve invoices, purchase agreements, recurring purchase transactions, plus demands will give us the final inventory, planning for new order generation, and MRP dependent requirements. So, based upon the inventory, planning for new orders, order generation, and MRP department requirements, we will be having the new resources or existing inventory. Changes in these processes can generally be done. Thank you.